We proclaim that through the cross, we are saved. But we forget that the cross, first and foremost, was a symbol of human sin and evil. Pag tinignan po natin yung mga stations of the cross sa paligid natin, we're reminded that the cross was a symbol of human betrayal, of human cruelty, of human persecution of the innocent, of human execution of the just.
But through the triumphant and transformative love of God, the cross becomes a symbol of divine fidelity. Jesus remains true to his mission to proclaim and embody